Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to go ahead and make this keyhole slot shape here. A keyhole slot is a common tool used as a common feature you'll find in uh, products around your house, things like picture frames and power strips to allow you to hang something using a screw or a nail in the wall. So to make that shape here in Onshape, what we're going to do is we're going to use the circle tool, and I'm going to draw two circles. You can see that I have a circle at the bottom that's 4/10 in diameter and a circle at the top that's 2/10 in diameter. So I'll take my circle tool, starting at the origin, click and release, move the mouse, click and release, and then I'm going to type in, before I do any other clicking, 0.4 inches so that I have that circle turned black. And then the next one we're going to draw is going to be this 2/10 of an inch diameter circle. So circle tool, I'm going to hover over the origin, bring my mouse up, and you can see the vertical constraint will be applied when I click. So I'm going to go ahead and click now, move the mouse, and click and release, and type in the value before I do any other clicking. So 0.2, enter. And then the distance between them, center to center, is 1 inch. So I'm going to take the dimension tool, either click on the menu bar up top or hit the D key on the keyboard. Then I'm going to click on the center of the upper circle, center of the bottom circle, and the distance between those is 1 inch. You'll see everything's fully constrained and at this point. Now it's just a matter of putting the vertical sidebars in, and that's the line tool, which we can get from the tool ribbon up top or by tapping the L key on the keyboard. We can draw two line segments by clicking and releasing, moving the mouse vertically, and then I'm going to use 2 clicks to end the line segment. I'm done with that, so I'm going to put that away. I'll put the escape key to put my tool down. Now I want to bring my lines over so that they are touching the circles. So let's go ahead and I want this to be coincident. I just want that to touch. So the constraint for that is coincident. It's the I shortcut, I key shortcut. So I want that end point to touch the line, and I want this end point to touch the circle. So now when we move this around, you can see that it stays stuck to it. The next thing I want to do is I want to make this line, I want the lines to touch the upper circle. I want them to be tangent. I don't want them just to be touching. I want them to be touching at exactly 1 point. I don't want it to pass through, and I want it to be out here. I want it to be touching at exactly 1 point. So we're going to hit the tangent button, which is right here. The shortcut key for that is T, tangent. So we're going to touch our line and then touch our circle, and then touch our line and touch our circle. At this point, you can see the endpoints are not yet defined. There's still some variable there. So we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to make that a little shorter. I'm going to hit the extend button, X, which is up here next to the trim. The extend button. I'm going to touch the line, and then touch the circle. Touch the line, touch the circle. Last thing to do left is to trim away the extra. And like I said, the extend is next to the trim. So I'm going to take trim and remove the section I don't want, remove the section I don't want, and we are all done. So that's all she wrote. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.